Let's see how you can easily reserve a WhatsApp business username for your business so your customers can easily send messages to you through WhatsApp using just the username. So they don't need to simply search for your phone number or save the phone number and then contact you. They can simply use the specific username you set in the WhatsApp to contact you. So this is not publicly available yet, but the WhatsApp has enabled the option to reserve your usernames now. So here, if you're wondering how to reserve your WhatsApp username for your business, you can simply follow the guide right here. So here, currently it's not possible to reserve the WhatsApp business name through the web, but it's available in the Android and also the iOS app as well. For example, if you're wondering how, here, businesses on WhatsApp Business can create unique username. For example, add your business to help customers find your business. Usernames are optional and can help you strengthen your brand while making it easier for customers to find you. So instead of find you through the phone number, they can simply find you through the specific business name and simply send messages as well. Alright, so here these are the things. So when you create a username, your business profile stays the same, your display name, profile photo, description, everything stays the same, business phone number stays on the same business profile, and the customers who already have the number can continue communicating with you as they do today. Your existing customers chat stay the same, and your customers may be notified, and creating username will not hide your business phone number. Alright, so if you're wondering how, you have to go to the settings tab over here and simply create the username right there. So here if you want me to show you, so here I'm in the settings tab. So I'm in the settings tabs. You can scroll down right here and choose account over here, and here you have the option to create the specific username. So here we have already created the username as Static Media, and it says usernames are coming soon. We will let you know when yours is ready to use. So we can only reserve the username, but when they are released for the public usage, the customers can easily message us through this specific username as well. And you can even set the priority as well. For example, if you want all the people to contact by username, you can do that. But if you actually set up a specific key, even if they have the username, they have to enter that specific 4-number key to contact you as well. But if it is a business, you can actually enable contact me by username for everyone right here as well. And for example, if this username @chattingmedia is already available on your Facebook page or Instagram, other businesses cannot actually use the same username, because when you try to set this specific same business name which is available on the Facebook page or Instagram, it will simply prompt you to connect your Facebook or Instagram page first to confirm the ownership of that specific username, and then you can actually create a specific username on WhatsApp as well. So that's also another option. So you don't need to worry that your username might be taken out by some other people. But if you have the same username on Instagram or Facebook, then you can actually use the same username for the WhatsApp as well by simply connecting those profiles right there as well. So that's also another option provided by Facebook or Meta, so that others cannot actually steal your business usernames or business names as well. So that's okay. You don't know how you can easily create the WhatsApp business usernames. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.